Learn how to diffuse essential oils the easy way with the Simply Earth DIY diffuser box. The recipes are so amazing, you'll be asking yourself, was it the elves? Hi, I'm Katie, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to unlock the magic of essential oils and natural ingredients. That's why I created the DIY diffuser box. You should be able to enjoy diffusing essential oils in fun and creative ways without breaking the bank. With this box, you'll be on your way to making your own summer playlist tassel diffuser, venture car diffuser, calm as a creamsicle aromatherapy inhaler and diffuser blend, and more. You'll unlock the power of nature using essential oils and natural ingredients. Oops, no toxic chemicals allowed. You'll save money because we sell directly, cutting out the middleman. And compare store prices versus Simply Earth's DIY diffuser recipe box. Yep. If you think DIY diffusing is hard, you're wrong. Simply Earth's recipe box is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Pure ingredients delivered straight to your door. 2. Following simple tutorials and recipes. Step 3. Experience the joy of making your own natural products. I even created this DIY diffusing guide and bonus workshop to go with the 6 recipes in this box. Warning, with a new theme each month, you'll learn how to master oils in a new way with every box. Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your DIY recipes in 10 minutes or less. Don't wait! This monthly box sells out fast! It's backed by a 60-day, 100% Earth-tastic guarantee. It's not just amazing, but life-changing, conquering your diffusing problems naturally with Simply Earth's DIY diffusing box today.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
And don't worry, it's commitment free, so you can pause or cancel at any time. You'll learn how to use timber essential oil blend, coriander, blood orange, and peppermint essential oils for a relaxing and calming atmosphere. And with this month's DIY diffusing box, you get our adorable tassel diffuser that you'll make in seconds and can use for years to come. Over 100,000 people can't be wrong. Get your box today.